இந்த சேனல் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம அந்த பெல் பட்டனை பிரஸ் பண்ணிடுங்க. Welcome to YADWAL channel. We are staying at home. We can't go out. For that, I have an idea. What is that? You all like bubbles? I like very much. You are going out and searching bubbles everywhere in the shop. For that, we can make bubbles at home. How we can make bubble at home? For that is only easy method. For that, only 3 things: 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon soap flakes and 1 cup of water. And in one glass of water, stir up 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon soap flakes. You have mixed up well and you can get bubble solution. A wonderful bubble solution. We can enjoy with that bubbles. In the board we saw 3 things. What are the 3 things? Soap flakes, sugar, 1 cup of water. Now we can see how to prepare bubble water. First, 1 teaspoon soap flakes and 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 cup of water. Now I am going to mix it well. இந்த சேனல் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம அந்த பெல் பட்டனை பிரஸ் பண்ணிடுங்க.